Hello guys, this is Ansab and you are watching the Ansab YouTube channel, and this video is about subdomains. So in this video I will tell you about subdomains, why they are important, what are subdomains and how you can use them and how you can create your own subdomain. So let's start. So guys, you have seen many websites like using some terms before their domain, like blog dot website.com or website dot before their website they have some different URL. Like if I type mozilla.org, then it's going to open a website for Mozilla for Firefox. But if I type blog.mozilla.com, it's going to load an entire different website. So in this website, this is all about browser. But if you see this website, this is about some posts. This is like a just like a blog website, because it really is a blog. So if I open like google.com, then it's open this. But if I open drive.google.com, then it takes me to a different website. This is Google Drive website. So what are subdomains? So subdomains are created to maintain your website, to not to overcrowd your htdocs folder. So when you create a subdomain, then your folder structure becomes something like website. And let me tell you how it is without subdomain. Then website, then under website you have your folder called blog. Then if you have something for shopping, then you also have a folder like shop, because you will like to keep the contents of different parts of website in different folder. But if you use a subdomain, then your website will be like website, and after website there will be another folder outside this folder like blog, and another folder for your shop outside this folder. So these three folders will be entirely different. So these are used to make your website more cleaner and more easy to maintain, and this make your htdocs folder less overcrowded. So let's see how you can create a subdomain. And also by subdomain you can make an entire different website on the same domain. So first go to your control panel, and from there you can see a section called domains. Every web host have this subdomain section, and from there you can see add-on domains, alias, spark domains, and redirects and subdomains. So we are interested in subdomains, so just open this. Okay, so first create a subdomain. Enter your domain like blog. I need to create a subdomain blog, and on my domain whcourse.cf, and just click on create. And after that you can see I have my subdomain blog.whcourse.cf, and home directory will be this. Let me open link. Okay, open link. You can see blog.whcourse.cf will be like this, because we don't have any default page in this, as we have index2.html, and by default in our htdocs we will not having, or in some web hosting providers we will be having a default web page. So for this you need to go to your file manager. It is just like your htdocs folder, as we have done in the last video, in this folder. So it is just like, but it is the another section of the website. So you can see a new folder with the name blog.whcourse.cf. So let me tell you, if we don't make the subdomains, instead and then we have to create a folder blog, and under that we will be having our files, so it will make this folder very much overcrowded. So just go back and open this, and inside this you will also going to have an htdocs folder, and under this you are going to upload your website. So just create a new file which is index.php, because we know that this is the default name. Index.php, index.html and index2.html are the default name for your landing page, are the default landing page. So just type this is my blog, and then save this file. And now if you go to blog.whcourse.cf, you can see this is my blog. Okay, and if you want to configure this this blog, then you can make a .htaccess file as we have done in the last video, and you can configure its web page and error patches. So like this we can create a blog, and also you can see if you want to delete your blog subdomain, then you can go there and just click on delete. But let me tell you one thing, it's not going to delete our folder from file manager. So let's do this experiment. Delete. So we have deleted our subdomain, but if we are going back, we can see there this folder is present, this is not deleted. So let's try to delete manually. And it says, you can see that deleted file index.php. so this file has been deleted successfully, but you can see this is not deleted, this is not deleted, and the process is complete. Because the server have to log everything that we are doing in this website or with their servers to prevent any illegal activity. All the things are recorded, and there will be a log file for this, so we can delete this thing. So if you can delete this, then don't worry, it is just their default setting. We can delete this, and if we type blog.whcourse.cf, then we just can see thing like this. Okay, so like this we can delete our blog. So subdomain. So guys, if you like this video, then just like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, see you in next video. Bye.